Chrome. By the way, the extension is, you can find it under the Chrome Web Store. So you just type Redux Dev Tools, and as I said, be careful, okay? Even though the icon you see that I was showing looks like this, be careful not to open that one. You clearly see that it has only 3 ratings. You need to take that one, okay? The Redux one, which has like 728 at the time of the video. So the author, yeah, the author is Redux Dev Tools. All right, so that's the kind of official one, okay? It's even mentioned, if you want to remove any doubt, I think it's mentioned under developer tools here when they speak about that. Yeah, they talk about download the Redux Dev Tools extension. So there is a link here that takes you to Redux. So here it's agnostic of the framework. It's whether it's NgRx for Angular or Redux for plain JavaScript, it will work. So that's why the extension, it's kind of a, Redux is kind of a standard, so the extension is agnostic as long as it gets the information it needs. So here you will have a link for Chrome, so it will directly take you to the Chrome Web Store. Okay, so you see that's that extension that we open. So here the icon is green, but that's the one with 728 rating, with offered by Redux Dev Tools. So it seems like they have changed the icon when you Redux Dev Tools. Yeah, actually in the results it shows like this, but when you click on it, it shows like this. So be careful not to confuse it with the second result. To remove any doubt, as we have just shown, you go from the NgRx official website, under developer tools, NgRx store dev tools overview. Then you click on download Redux Dev Tools extension. It will take you to their GitHub project, and then you click on the link for Chrome. Okay, it will avoid to have any doubt. So that's the one that I have installed in my browser.